If you're going to buy a watch is a piece of art, yeah? And this, for example, is a Cartier, and it's called a Cartier Piece Unique, which means there's only one in the world.
Every time I visit Puerto Banus, I'm reminded that great opportunities often start with simple conversations. You never know who you are going to meet, what you learn, or where those connections might lead in the future. Puerto Banus is known for its luxury lifestyle, but behind the yachts and supercars, it's also a place where entrepreneurs, investors, and business owners from all over the world connect. Today we are exploring one of the most exclusive events on the Costa del Sol and meeting some of the people shaping this unique environment. Actually, there's an event today here, 50 luxury cars, Ferraris, Lamborghinis, and McLaren, whatever. And at the same time, they have this helicopter landing. Apart from that, supposed to be 10 big boats together, at the same time to do some networking event. There will be a party here today. This is quite normal in Puerto Banus. And it's a very cool thing. You don't find this kind of stuff everywhere, right? That's why many people are moving to Marbella now, looking for some crazy things like this, luxury. But the most important thing is the safety. When most people think about Puerto Banus, they think about luxury. But what many don't realize is that it's also a powerful hub for networking, business opportunities, and international connections that bring people together from every corner of the world. Joining me today is someone who has built valuable connections here and understands what makes this place so special. What I really like is that experienced people like you, 20 years living in Marbella, you have probably seen all the changes, right?
Yeah, it changes a lot. It changes a little bit and then changes a lot. The people are changing a lot now as well. It's a lot more Scandinavian than before, a lot more.
Really?
Yeah, it's huge Scandinavian market, like people here.
Well, what about Puerto Banus? How did it change for these last 20 years?
Wow. Puerto Banus is it has ups and downs, right? But right now it seems to be growing a lot. There was almost going to be a project where a Saudi person was going to build triple the space of the whole of Banus. They were going to build it huge when cruise ships were going to come in, and it didn't happen in the end. Probably for the best, because it's already really busy here. Oh, this, by the way, this place is amazing.
Really?
Caribbean jerk chicken, oxtail, it's amazing in there. I just put this sign up here. Up here, look.
Oh, I saw it today, man.
Yeah.
Cool.
I need to light it up.
I actually see your ads everywhere, man.
Yeah, it's
in
good.
The gym,
it's good.
especially.
It's working.
Yeah.
It's working.
Cool, man.
It's hard to know if you should do like pay-per-click on Google or if you should do Instagram ads. I think people say Instagram ads aren't that good. It's kind of hard to know. This is crazy though. Right now with the bank holiday in England, it's like 90% women walking around. It's just women. It's just women in bikinis walking around in the whole. Not like they actually changed the law here a couple of years ago. It's illegal now to walk around with no shirt on. You can't wear a bikini and you can't wear as a man, you cannot go topless.
Really?
You still do it, and if you're exercising, who cares? But they made it illegal in Banus. Have you ever had a drink in here?
No.
It's quite nice. It's quite nice.
Really?
It's like sitting on a boat, basically. In the summer, when it's really hot, this feels nice.
Luxury cars have become part of the everyday scenery in Puerto Banus, reflecting the lifestyle that attracts successful people from all around the world. From Ferraris and Lamborghinis to some of the world's most prestigious brands, Puerto Banus offers a glimpse into a lifestyle that inspires many people. How much is it a car like that?
These can be 150 to 500,000 just for these Uruses, but the Urus is just an Audi. I like it. It's a nice car, but underneath, Audi makes everything. It's a bit of a waste. You want to get a real Lamborghini, not a... If you've got a Lamborghini, a real one already, you can buy an Urus, but definitely I wouldn't start with this.
Yeah, this color is cool. Huh?
This is such a rare one. It looks like it's like an 80s remake. It's I can't remember the name. It's a Countach. Okay, that was it. It's super, super rare, this thing.
Which brand, in your opinion, is the best one here? Like, there are many of the top ones, like
They used to
Louis
have.
Vuitton,
They used.
Dolce Gabbana, but
If you're gonna buy Louis Vuitton, you want to buy hard things. Nothing that's like a soft bag because that goes down. Like a hard cases and stuff like that. Those are good. Really, Bulgaria is the best shop in Banus. Bulgaria, 100%.
really?
Yeah, if you want to keep your value over time, you will always lose when you buy new. But if you've got 20 years to spare, it's fine. You're gonna be okay.
But you mean jewelry or
anything? If anything.
They also have jewelry there.
Yeah, they got. This is mainly jewelry. I'm talking watches and jewelry. But that's the best shop for sure in Puerto Banus for getting the best quality products.
And we are in 2026, right? I see, from my perspective, I see more movement compared to the last years. Is that true? Do you also feel it? Or?
After COVID, I saw huge. Now summer is like in winter. Like in winter, it feels like summer almost here.
Oh, really?
So it's changed completely. And now after all these wars and all this stuff, everyone is just coming here. It's absolutely mind-blowing.
Yeah, oh, this is the best one. This is I like it most. Thank you.
I didn't have lunch yet.
I didn't know that. You know
I was
my
in the
taste.
underground parking.
Where is this party? I'm gonna meet you at your boat soon, okay? Which place did you come from in UK?
The south of England, my dad's London and my mum's Brighton. So I was born in Brighton. And it's the sunniest place in England, but
Really?
it's nothing compared to here.
Why did you come here? Because of the weather? Or?
Nah, I came here because my parents pulled me here when I was 5 years old. I had no choice. But what about you? Where'd you come from in Brazil?
Yeah, we moved here 6 years ago from Brazil, me, my wife, and one kid. Now we are two. But look at this, Thomas. What is that? Do you like it?
It's literally like you're in a movie every time you're walking around. It's the mountains next to the sea. It's unbelievable. And behind those mountains, there's some incredible stuff. It's like the nature back there is incredible.
And I've been here 6 years now and have heard many stories about scammers, like mafia or whatever. People that are not that straightforward and serious. Have you heard about this kind of things?
Yeah, I've had loads of experiences like that. But in any city or any hotspot, you get there's almost equal amounts of good and bad everywhere. And here you just see it more extreme because they're just more out there. They're driving around in Lamborghinis and stuff, and it's quite a safe place if you compare it to London or to most places.
Normally the richest people that you have met here, where are they from?
Wow, it's so varied. I've got from Lebanon to Russia to right now the Spanish community is getting, the GDP in Spain is growing quite a lot. There's a lot more rich Spanish people than there were before. It's changed quite a lot.
Really?
Like before there was hardly any Spanish clients that were buying jewelry. Now it's huge.
Really?
Yeah, it's completely changed.
Cool.
But you get every single nationality here. Almost everyone in the world that can live anywhere they want, they have a home here. Yeah. Even Putin has a home here in La Sagaleta.
Yeah. Really?
Yeah.
Yeah, the people, they try to make it a secret, They say, no one knows which is the Putin's,
which one it is,
home.
No, it's not a secret anymore. Everyone knows. You got everything here. You got skiing in 2 hours. You've got Morocco in 2 hours. You can be in Morocco. You got Tarifa, which is just another surf town, which is beautiful.
One of the things I enjoy most about Puerto Banus is the atmosphere. Whether you are here for business, leisure, or simply a walk by the marina, there's always a unique energy that makes this place stand out. Life in Puerto Banus goes far beyond luxury. It's about enjoying great weather, beautiful surroundings, international culture, and meeting people who are often pursuing ambitious goals and exciting projects. There are many very, very rich Russian entrepreneurs, but lately I think it changed a lot, because of the war and
it's hard for them
conflict.
to get their money out now. It's hard for them to get their money out, especially the oligarchs. They got like way harder time removing their money from Russia because they want to keep the money in Russia. But you still have Russians that are rich because they're entrepreneurs. Loads of them. There's still loads.
Have you used some boat here before?
I used to have a boat here. I used to have a little Bajamar. It's like a 27-foot boat, speedboat. I used to have it when I was younger. It was good fun. But boats are a nightmare. But getting a mechanic in for a car is hard enough in Spain. For a boat, it's like
almost impossible.
Yeah,
and it's so expensive to maintain it. You know, don't use it too much.
Yeah, you do.
And then, like this friend of mine, Matthew, we have done a video together to talk about it. They have ownership. You know, they split the ownership. They sell a share,
timeshare of pieces. Yeah.
So I think it's wiser. You know?
Renting these kind of things definitely wiser because you only use it a few times a year.
Yeah.
You know, you only go out a few proper times a year. If you've got a job, if you've got no job, then you can go out all the time. But if you have a job, you're never going out on it. You know the name of that mountain?
La Concha.
You know what it means? No, La Concha?
No,
you've in Brazil? How do you say shell?
La Concha de la Madre.
Yeah, no. Concha is shell. It's like a shell. It's a shell. And that's what it's named after. A lot of people think it's a volcano. It's not. I don't think it is. Anyway.
What's the meaning of La Concha?
La Concha is the shell, like the conch. It's like a type of shell that has like a spiral.
Why did they put this name?
I don't actually know, but all I know is before they didn't really care about it so much, and you can see in the mountain there's all these big slits, like you know Starlight, and you know Starlight.
Yeah.
And also just there where those trees are growing, like you can see the cuts in the mountain. They were gonna take way more of the mountain. They were going to take it away just to build hotels and build roads.
Oh, really?
They were taking it away for 50, 60 years. They were taking the materials from that mountain, and now it's kind of a piece of art. They don't want to touch it. It's protected now. Have you ever gone up La Concha?
No, never.
Oh my God, you have
Really?
to. You have to. You can speed to the very top. You can go up. There's also a peak that's called Cruz de Juanar, that's next to it, which is like, instead of 5 hours, it's 2-hour experience. You see scorpions, you see these mountain goats, you see crazy things up there. It really is special up there.
Luxury jewelry has always been closely connected to destinations like Puerto Banus, where craftsmanship, exclusivity, and personal service are highly valued. It's a fascinating industry that continues to attract clients from all over the world.
We've got these incredible rose gold APs. They are around 60, 65,000 depending, and they're up to 80 grand on Chrono. The cheapest one I think is 75. You're saving 13, 14,000 euros by not going on Chrono, like for coming into a shop. Chrono takes 6%, you know, but the price shouldn't be that high. And this Daytona actually is quite special, this Ghost. It's just come in. She's about 34,000 euros, full set. Brand new, untouched. The rose gold one is 38. They've got one in the port for 45,000. We've got new watches coming in every week. We buy a lot in auction, a lot from privates. We buy in the States all the time.
And in Puerto Banus, we are with the shop 2 years, 2.5 years.
2.5 years, yeah.
2.5 years.
Yeah.
Okay.
2.5 years, and we get some incredible people in here.
Really?
Marbella attracts the most interesting people from all around the world. It's like, you just don't know who's going to come in the door every day. Could be royalty, could be someone famous. Literally everyone comes in.
Yeah, I actually never bought some jewelries, but I know some people that I think they normally buy from Thailand or something like that. Is that true? Or
Thailand?
Yeah, or not.
So in Thailand, you get good gems, right? You get good color gems. You don't get the top color, top color, but you do get some really good quality gems in Thailand. And you've got cheap labor there, and they know how to do good pieces. This is a good example, actually. These two bracelets, for example, these are 67,000 euros each in Cartier. I'm selling them for just over 30, right? But new, someone paid almost 67. They paid 67 for that and 67 for this. But in Thailand, you can get this kind of stuff, and it costs, instead of 60 grand, it costs 10. It's the same gold, the same diamonds. Like a lot of people in Marbella wear this stuff, you know, they're a lot, because people don't want to spend 70 grand, they want to spend 10 or 15. It's the same gold, it's the same diamonds, but obviously when you resell it has a different resale value. But if you buy 7 of these, instead of one of those, you have more value in gold anyway in the second-hand market.
Which is the kind of jewelry you sell more frequent here?
We sell everything from 150 euros to 200,000 euros, right? But most people feel comfortable around 4,000 to 8,000 euros as the kind of things. And in America, you sell a lot more colored stones. Spain is a bit behind America. And so America is normally the future, the trendsetters. And we're about 5 years behind them.
5 years behind America.
So here now, diamonds are still quite prominent. People want diamonds still. But colored stones are becoming a huge thing. In the next 5 years will be massive all around the world. But right now they're bigger in America.
You will find some of the most recognized jewelry brands in the world. Behind every piece, there is a story of design, tradition, and attention to detail that reflects the spirit of luxury itself.
I also wanted to show you this. This thing's really cool. If you buy this stuff, I mean, you might as well, in my opinion, buy this. But if you're going to buy a watch is a piece of art, you know? And this, for example, is a Cartier, and it's called a Cartier Piece Unique, which means there's only one in the world. This is the only one, right? This piece, it was made specifically for someone who actually got knighted by the King of England, which is pretty crazy. It's even super, people with hundreds of millions still get bored and they still want to sell money. You know, sell pieces and move stuff around. It's fun. It's like a game. It's like instead of gambling, they do this.
It's like a collection, no?
Yeah, it's like collecting and just having an interaction. This is a really interesting piece for sure, because you'll never see another one ever again in your life. It's the only one in the world.
Really? Yeah. And how much was the biggest transaction you have had?
One single piece. I mean, I sold a stone for one little loose stone for 140,000 euros. You can do watches for anything. But the problem is in watches, there's no margins. Everyone's a watch professional these days. They just go on chrono and they think that's how it should be. And then you've got no movement. You know, you're lucky if on a Rolex, you make 5%. I mean, it's a hard time for watches. We make more money selling this stuff when a man comes in who buys a watch and he feels guilty and he buys something for his wife. Because then there's more margins in jewelry than watches. Watches are kind of standardized unless you buy them in a really expensive place. If you go to a shop that's paying 50,000 euros a month rent, then you're going to pay a big premium. You know, in the center of a city or right in the port, you could do that. And in the end, the person who's going to pay that rent is the client. You know, so the watch will be $7,000 more than it should be. But we're just in the corner of Puerto Banus. We don't pay that much rent here. We're really lucky.
What makes Puerto Banus truly special is not just the luxury you see on the surface. It's the people, the opportunities, and the global connections that can lead to unexpected friendships, partnerships, and experiences.